Hi all. In this video, we will be going to discuss about outliers and the methods to handle outliers. What are outliers? Outliers are data points which are significantly different from other data points. We can call outliers as exception values. Outliers make our data skewed to either right hand side or left hand side. How do we eliminate these outliers or how do we handle these outliers? In this video, we are going to handle outliers using the box plot. What is a box plot? A box plot is a method of graphically depicting groups of numerical data indicating variability outside the upper and lower quartile. So basically the box plot gives us the range of our values. So let's begin. Let's first import the required libraries. Import numpy as np, import pandas as pd. In this video, we'll have two more libraries imported. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Import tborn as sns. Okay, so we have imported all our required libraries. Now we will import our dataset. Df is equals to pd dot read underscore csv, and let's put the path of the data frame. I have taken the cards data set. I will provide the link for the data set in the description below. So that's our df. Now we see how a box plot looks like. Let's make a box plot for the category called price. So the code for the box plot is sns dot box plot df. On the price column, we will apply our box plot. So we see that in this box plot, there are many values which are outliers. But we cannot consider these values as outliers because there would be a nano over here and there would be a BMW over here. If we eliminate the outliers, there is a possibility that we eliminate the complete car company itself. Maybe we'll eliminate Mercedes itself. The price of nano goes from 1 lakh to 2 lakh, but a price of BMW or Mercedes starts from 40 to 50 lakhs. We cannot call these outliers. Outliers are basically those data points which are significantly different from other data points, but in this case our outliers is one company. So in order to get a better picture of this, we will plot the box plot with price and the make of the company. Now let's make the box plot for price and the make of the company. SNS dot box plot. We'll have to give the data first. Data is nothing but our df, comma, x variable is nothing but our price. We are finding the outliers in price, comma, y variable is nothing but the make. After running this, we get a box plot something like this. These black dots that you see are the outliers. So there are outliers in Dodge company, there are outliers in Honda, there are outliers in Isuzu, there are outliers in uh, Mitsubishi, and all these things. Now, how do we handle these outliers? First and foremost, we have to find the outliers for Dodge. In Dodge, we see that maximum number of cars are in the range of 5,000 to 10,000. There are only few cars or a few cars which are above 10,000. So, what do we do is we find the date, we find the column, we find the row which has the outlier by the given code df, then df make equals, let's do it for dodge because that's the first one, is equals to dodge, and we'll use the comparison operator in this. We'll use and operator. We have seen that prices above 10,000 is an outlier for dodge. This point, it's something where price is greater than 10,000. df price greater than 10,000. This could be dollars or rupees, we have no idea, but let's assume. So we find that the 29th row has this outlier for Dodge. So we drop this 29th row by the following command df dot drop 29 comma in place equals true. We always write in place equals true to ensure that the changes that we make are permanent changes. Similarly, we can find the outliers for different companies. Like we have found the outliers for Isuzu, and then we have dropped the column which has the outlier, that is drop the row which has outlier, that is df dot drop 45. Similarly, we have done for Honda, for Mitsubishi, for Plymouth, and Toyota. After removing the outliers, when we check our box plot, we see that now there are no outliers in our box plot. Now we have successfully handled all our outliers. Thank you.